to it. Real one, ain't nothing to it. Boss, ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one, ain't nothing.
Back on another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, back up in this thing. Went ahead and I did my brows on camera. Y'all already know what's up with that. Ebony and also Canon face medium brown in the front area, and brows should pop in y'all like normal. And it's because we about to try on this rainbow wig. We're gonna do rainbow on the eyes, but we're gonna do a cut crease. We're just gonna, you know, do the method where you're gonna do a cut crease, just packing the shadow on. Go inside of this Obsessed palette. This is from Pinky Rose. I like this palette because it has a green in here that I like. I'm going to go into my P. palette as well, but for now we're going to start off with yellow, and I am going to basically pat my base out first because I know that I've been creasing. You don't want that. Just wondering where I got this chain from. I get it from @GoPresidents on Instagram. What we'll do is we're going to basically tap this in the front. Grab yellow, which is this one. It's called Calumet. The orange, this orange. Oh, Velvet Kisses. I think that's a red. Blue right here. This blue. This sky blue. I'll take Angle Eye Gel Liner number 77. Just our own. I'm about to take my Tasha primer and my Pores No More primer. I was in the store last time and they had me looking casket ready, but I think I'm gonna give it another try, y'all. And I don't think I tried the darkest shade. So maybe if I tried the darkest shade and kind of lighten it up with the concealer and stuff like that and put everything together, maybe it won't have me looking like that. ordered it and I tried it on my client today and I love it. It's called the Glamour Bronze from Morphe and it's in the shade Phantom. Blush, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. It's in the shade Cocktail Party. Take my Pat McGrath Lip Liner. This is in the shade Ground Control. Just a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. And the ad is from Too Faced. It's called All the Stars. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna be back. I'm about to go apply my recap and I'm gonna come right back